In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ClickUp account. If you've decided that you no longer need your account and want to remove it completely, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and safely so you know exactly what to expect before taking that final step. To begin, open your browser or desktop application and sign in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your workspace, direct your attention to your profile icon, which is typically located in one of the corners of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Settings to access your account configuration. After entering the Settings page, make sure you are viewing your personal account settings rather than workspace-specific settings. This distinction is important, as the option to delete your account will only appear under your personal settings. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page until you find the option labeled Delete Account, then click on it to continue. You will then be taken to a confirmation screen. Take a moment to carefully read the information provided, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone. When you are ready to proceed, enter your password to verify your identity and confirm that you want to delete your account. Once completed, your account will be scheduled for permanent removal. Before finalizing this process, there are a few important things to keep in mind. If you are the owner of a workspace that includes other members, you will need to either transfer ownership to another user, remove all members, or delete the workspace entirely. Without completing one of these actions, the system may prevent you from deleting your account. Additionally, if your workspace uses single sign-on or any specialized login method, you may need to disable those settings or exit the workspace before proceeding. These steps ensure that your account can be removed without any conflicts. Once your account is deleted, all associated data, including your profile and access to workspaces, will be permanently lost. Because this cannot be reversed, it's strongly recommended to back up any important information beforehand. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.